Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that very popular Husqvarna 372 XPW. The W meaning this is the 75cc motor. This is the high performance engine. This one features a 28-inch sprocket nose bar. That's a used bar. And a new 3/8 chisel bit skip tooth chain. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the great features this saw has. Kill switch is right here, easy to get at. Choke's right here on the right. Right there's your choke. Has the operator presence lever right here. Hand's got to be in place for it to throttle up. It's a nice safety feature. It's got the large pad here. This is a hand protector and a foot pad. Helps protect your hand when the chain does throw. Occasionally they do throw a chain. It does help protect your hand. See the coverage you get there. And it also doubles as a foot pad for starting this chainsaw. You need to have the saw on the ground. Put your foot in here and get a good hold of the handlebar to start this saw, because it's a very high compression engine. Has a working chain brake. Muffler with a fire screen in it. And to adjust the tension on this, just loosen the two nuts up here. Right in here, right there, is your tensioner screw. Wrap handlebar is always a nice feature on these, so you can get hold of this saw 340 degrees there. Got the falling sights on both sides. These assist in falling trees. You can use these as a sight, similar to a gunning sight. I like the quick access to the air cleaner. Nice, get right in there. Nice big high performance filter. Very easy to get at and check. It's a good running saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.